up you guys, it's Judy here with my Life as Kikay. On this channel I create videos on product reviews, makeup tutorials and lifestyle advice with the aim to entertain, educate and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would love for you to join the Kikay family, and if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions product review on the Devout Skincare Ageless Mask. From what I know about Devout Skincare, this is an Australian brand, so yay, go Australian products. It's also a very new brand and you can find them on Instagram and their website. I will leave those details in the description box down below, so if at any point you're interested in this video to read more about Devout Skincare or do a bit more of a deep dive about this Ageless Mask product, then you can go check out those details in the description box down below. But for myself today, I'm going to be doing a first impressions product review on this mask. I'm going to be trying it on like as you do with masks, leave it on for a bit, take it off and let you guys know what I think. So yeah, if you want to see what this ageless mask does for me, then just keep on watching. But before I go any further, if you guys do enjoy this video, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. You can also follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All of them are Life as Kikay. Also turn on the notification bell because I put 3 videos out every single week, guys. Before I start talking about it, first and foremost, I'm just gonna put it straight on my face, and then while I'm waiting the 10 to 15 minutes as it says to leave it on for, we're gonna talk about the brand, we're gonna go in depth into the ingredients of this product, and yeah, I'll just let you guys know what it's all about. That's what it looks like on the inside. I'm just taking some on a foundation brush. I don't have a mask brush, but you know, foundation brushes work just as well, and I'm just going to apply it evenly to the skin. So on the box it said apply evenly to freshly cleansed skin, and I've just come out of the shower, so that step's all done. Now that I have this mask spread out as evenly as I possibly can get it on my face, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this product itself. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Devout Skincare, the brand, and this ageless mask itself. So from what I can find out about it, Devout Skincare has this one product, the Ageless Mask, and they use the finest quality natural ingredients. The Ageless Mask is designed to fight the signs of aging and inflammation. It has a combination of dragon's blood, jojoba seed oil, and resveratrol to fight the signs of aging in the skin. It also has a blend of vitamin E and shea butter to soothen and soften your skin immediately. It says immediately, so I'm expecting baby soft skin once I take this off. It also has ingredients such as lavender oil, which I can definitely smell in the fragrance of this, chamomile, blue extract, and dragon's blood. All of these ingredients fight inflammation in the skin. It also has a hydrating property with a specialized blend of cucumber oil, vitamin B5 and white tea, which hydrate and refresh the skin. So all very good claims to have, all the things that you would want in a face mask. When I take this off, we shall find out exactly if these claims are true. So first off, when I apply this mask, it has a very strong scent of lavender. If you're not a huge fan of lavender, I know that there are people out there who don't like the scent of lavender. You might want to skip this because it has a very strong scent. It doesn't actually go away. The scent is as strong on my skin as it was when I first applied it. While lavender isn't my go-to scent, it is quite a pleasant scent, and it's not overpowering, so kind of like that. It has a very cooling effect as well, which I really like. I think that might be the cucumber oil in there. So the 3 active ingredients in this mask that they are really marketing to sell this particular product is a combination of dragon's blood, which is a plant-based kind of sap, and it forms a unique protective second skin, which works to help protect the skin from outside aggressions, and it reduces irritation and redness and heals the skin. Dragon's blood is known for its healing, protective, firming, soothing qualities. So a very good ingredient to have. From what I can see on the ingredients list on the back of the box, dragon's blood is probably on the second half of the ingredients list. Now the other ingredient here that they really use to market this product is resveratrol. I'm not really sure what resveratrol was, but from what I can see from Google, it comes up with this whole C14H1203 formula scientific thing, but I will narrow it down to basic person's terms like myself. And from what I can see in basic understandable terms from Google, is it is a natural compound found in foods such as the skin of grapes, blueberries, raspberries, mulberries, and peanuts. So it's a natural ingredient, really good for the skin. You know how they say eat berries, it's really good for you. You can find resveratrol in those. What resveratrol does for your skin, helps protect the skin surface, interrupts and helps rebuff negative environmental influences, and helps brighten a tired looking complexion. And who doesn't want that? I mean, like, we've all seen what my skin looked like at the beginning of this video. I need untired looking skin. It also has significant skin calming properties that may help minimize the look of redness. Look for resveratrol in moisturizers and eye creams. Now, resveratrol in the ingredients list itself is on the second last line as far as ingredients goes. If you understand anything about ingredients lists, the order in which ingredients are listed signifies the amount of it in the actual product itself. Does that make sense? So if resveratrol is mentioned far down the list, it is one of the least amount of ingredient in the actual product itself. That's not to say it's a bad thing. There's a whole lot of other ingredients before it that are actually really good ingredients. Natural, chamomile, dragon's blood, flower extract, all of these really good things. But yeah, just putting all that information out there. It's very clearly stated on the box as well. And the other two active marketed ingredients on here are jojoba oil, which we all know what, I think we should all know what jojoba oil is. It's a very common ingredient found in a lot of skincare, especially moisturizing skincare, and chamomile blue extract, which is an ingredient that is very calming for the skin. There's a whole lot of ingredients here. Glycerin, lavender oil, jojoba seed oil, and shea butter are pretty early up in the list. And also glycerin is on the ingredients list as well. Glycerin is the second ingredient, which I actually really like. If you guys have watched my glycerin skincare video, then you'll know I am all about the glycerin life at the moment. That is all I use for my skincare right now, so I'm really all about that. Really good to see that it's very early up in the ingredients list. So all in all, very good ingredients in here. From what I can see here, there is nothing that is harsh or harmful for the skin. All natural ingredients. What I really love about this is that it's an Australian brand, so go Australian brands, wanting to support all of those. I would love to see a lot more Australian brands come through on the cosmetics and beauty industry, especially because of where I'm from, Australia, and I'd love a lot of these things to be more readily available to us here as Australians. Oh, I forgot to say, this container here contains 100 ml of the Ageless mask, and it retails for 65 and 95 Australian dollars. So it's not a cheap mask, but in the skincare world, for something that really works, it's definitely affordable. You could get a lot of uses out of this. For me personally, I would really like to get skincare in a pump, but I mean, that doesn't stop me. You've seen a lot of my skincare products. A lot of them come in jars with lids that open up like this. It's just probably one of those things that is more of a preference sort of thing. When you get something in a container that the whole lid comes off, the whole entire product is exposed to the air, so that's just one of those things. But if this product really works, it's not really a deal breaker for me. So at this point, I have now had the mask on my skin for about 10 minutes. It is almost completely dried in the more thinner areas where I applied it. It said on the website to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. I've now had it on for about 12 minutes, so I think that is a good, happy in-between from 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go rinse my face off with some warm water, and I shall be right back. Okay, I'm back. All I've done is rinse my face with some warm water and gently patted it dry. So my skin's definitely feeling a lot softer. I don't know if that's just because I've recently washed my face, but it's also feeling very hydrated. My skin was feeling a little bit dry and patchy before, but now it feels very soft and smooth. I can definitely feel the benefits of the glycerin in this product working its wonders on my skin. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more glycerin later on just to moisturize my skin before I go to bed. My skin definitely feels very soft and hydrated, and while I know this is the first time I've used it and I can't really tell the full benefits and properties that it will do for your skin, because I mean obviously this is a first impression, but I can see how continual use of a product like this can really give you benefits in your skin, especially with the ingredients that this product has. So definitely a thumbs up. I didn't buy this mask, it was sent to me very kindly by Devout Skincare, and I just want to say a huge thank you. I will continue to use this because it feels amazing, it smells smells great, and my skin feels really good. I'm just gonna go in with a bit of moisturizer later on just to seal it all in and to make sure that the benefits of this mask stays on my face all night long while I go to sleep. Morning, you guys. It is the next morning. I'm quickly getting ready for work, and I wasn't gonna do this, but as I was brushing my teeth this morning, I just looked at my face in the mirror, and the skin on my face actually is, the tone of it is a lot more even than it normally is when I wake up in the morning. It looks softer and smoother. I don't have as much redness on my skin as I normally do when I wake up in the morning. So that mask definitely did its magic. I only had it on for 12 minutes last night, and then I sealed it in with some glycerin afterwards and went to bed, and my skin is looking really good this morning. So very impressed. Definitely gonna be using it again. It's a big thumbs up from me. So yeah, you guys, that's basically my first impression and review and information that I've been able to find about Devout Skincare and their Ageless mask. I hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. And again, I will leave all information that you need to find out more about this skincare brand in the description box down below, so you can go check them out. Follow them on Instagram. Their feed looks incredible. By the way, I suck at Instagram theme feeds and stuff. I just upload photos of whatever. As you can tell, it's just a bit of hodgepodge of stuff, but the whole theme that they have going on Devout Skincare's Instagram page is like goals. Love it so much. So yeah, you guys, if you're from Australia, you love to support Australian brands, definitely go check them out on Instagram, chuck them a follow. Check out this mask. It is good for your skin. It's natural. It's cruelty-free as well. It's cruelty-free, natural ingredients, all really, really good stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. If you haven't already, why not? Please subscribe. It'll help me out so much. I do put new videos out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you can turn on the notification bell if you don't want to miss any of those future uploads. You can also follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are lifeaskikay, but I am definitely more active on Instagram. I put a new post up daily and try and update my Instagram stories daily as well. Doesn't always happen, but I do try. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for your time. I truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend it here with me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! I would love for you to join the Kikay family, and if you haven't already, about Devout Skincare and this Ageless mask, Devout Skincare, the brand, and this Ageless mask. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about, all very, very good claims, all very good and claims that is pretty high up. Like I said before, resveratrol is, where is it? The level, the order that ingredients come in the list, listed in the list. The ingredient, it is one of the least, has one of the more, and the third thing, and the third ingredient, and the other two ingredients on here are, and the other two active marketed ingredients on here, just to moisturize. But as I was brushing my, and again, I will leave all the information that you need to find out